Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Toni-Anne and today is the start of a new series on my channel. It is a hybrid of and inspired by the Black History Month in America and Women's History Month now coming to an end by the time this comes out. So I thought I'd bring them together, some unity, you know, we need that right now. And I'm going to be celebrating and embracing Black women owned makeup brands. So the first brand, of course, because you know I stan, I'm going to start with is Makeupbytammi's makeup brand, which is Makeupbytammicosmetics. So I have her eyeshadow palette, the Chase Focus. Oh yeah, I have a new camera. Yeah, so the Chasing Butterflies palette looks like this. And because my base is done, oh yeah, how you feeling it? I've changed how I do it again. So if you guys want me to show you what I did, this is my extra AF. You don't have to do all this. Base, then let me know. So let's zoom on in. Aspire, which is a red. I'm gonna do like a halo eye, and let's just stamp. I'm gonna start diffusing the ends now. This palette comes with a mirror as well. It's working really well so far, but I don't expect any less on her because I was gonna go with like quite a spring look at first when I was gonna film in the daytime, but I end up faffing about like with my eyebrows and stuff that the sun went down. So I thought, let's go a bit more appropriate, shall we? So I just went in with the orange and I'm just diffusing out the ends of that. It's called Summer. I made it like really soft, so I may just pack a bit more of Aspire on. It looks so much more fiery in person. I'm not sure if I want to have it like proper blown out. Yeah, let's just blend it out and see what we get. And just soften out the edges of that halo. I haven't done a halo or spotlight, anything of the sort, in a very long time. Shade Goals. I'm going to try it with my finger first. This is good. Just to refine the shape a little bit at the top. Not putting anything extra on the brush at first. And see how the shimmer works with a brush. Okay, so I'm going to zoom you guys out so you guys can see what it looks like further away. I'm using the eyeshadow base in number 5. You can use your concealer. Oh, wrong brush. I'm really in two minds about making this darker, just to bring it to night. But you can wear a fiery red eye at night time, why not? I did want to do more because it is my first impressions, but I have used 2 mattes and a shimmer, but just to be extra so I can say I used the whole roll, because there are 12 shades in here. So let me put one more colour to use. I just realised I'm not using her brushes. I have brushes by Makeup by Tammi. This one, you see, yeah, it's pink. Yeah, this is good. I really didn't need it. Like, it's intense enough that you can see it, but not too intense. The lashes that I'm going to wear as well are going to be by Makeup by Tammi, of course. And this is in the style Summer. So these look like. I literally got all of them. I've worn Toni, Mia. Oh, yeah, those are the ones I can remember so far, but yeah. Alright, I'm back. Both eyes are done. I have the style Summer on. It comes in this like holographic box. And I also have her makeup brushes that I've used on my channel before. So if you want to see a review of them, then I will link the video. The brushes look like, let's get a handful. Brushes look like this. And it sort of has like the holographic theme going on with it that matches the lashes boxes. I just got the cake liners. I got the pastel one, so obviously I wouldn't use it with this look, but hopefully you will see something with me using that palette possibly on my Instagram, which is Toni.Anne_Davis. Alright, so I'm back. My face is finished. For blush, I used Makeup by Tammi's collaboration with Makeup Revolution, can't talk. I used the Tropical Queen, which is a holy grail, and I used the highlight from this palette as well, which is called Paradise Glow. I just sort of packed it on for, you know, that nighttime effect. The lip combo, couldn't tell you, love. I tried a bit of everything. So I got the brush set. They're really good. Like, I'm rubbish at eyeliner of any kind, but the way this brush feels, like it feels like a paintbrush, like you actually have a real grip on it, and it's so precise. It has like 8 different sizes, so I think that's really cool to have, especially as she sells water activated liners, and I have the palette of liners. I chose the pastel one just to, you know, take me a bit out of my box a bit. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, so overall, I think it's a great start to her brand. I'm glad that it's affordable. It works for all shades. It works well alongside the other things that she's already released, like her collabs with Makeup Revolution. Yeah, so I'm an avid customer. Like, I was there from when she was just selling lashes, and it's just expanded into this brand, and I can't wait to see what else she does. Oh, the palette. Okay, so what do I think of the palette? First of all, isn't this so cute? And even her reason for calling it Chasing Butterflies is adorable. There wasn't, as you saw, there wasn't really any fallout. The shimmers are really good. Like, you don't even need a base for it to show up the way you would like. From the colours I've used so far, I am impressed. They show up well, they blend out well. I didn't really have any issues with picking it up on the brush. Yeah, there's a bit of fallout, but nothing too crazy. I like that it's compact, and it has such a range of colours that you could literally just take this if you were travelling, hopefully one day. That's my overall thoughts on the brand. Stay tuned to see what other brands I do. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!